we go, baby. Yeah, let's put this up. Come on. Yeah. So there is not a single pair of 11.5 or 11s or 12s of Remedy HR2s that I can't find any. I got one pair sent from England, from Loco Skate, but then something mixed up. I got the new model. New model looks way too plain, so we had to do something. Look at these beautiful, beautiful skates. Oh my goodness. These are the Seba CJ something, some really good skaters. Sick skates. My friend Jessica was making fun of me for how many times I say sick at the skate park. So I'm gonna try not to say sick so many times. Sick. These K2 Unnaturals. I bought these because I needed something to ride while I was deciding. I know I liked K2s. I do enjoy these. I love these for transitions. They're just quality skates. Great skates, but we're not skating them today. We're skating the CJs. Now I've decided to do like a proper skate vlog because I haven't skated in 20 years. It's literally been 20 years. I started skating when I was about 10, stopped skating when I was 13 or 14, maybe 15. So maybe not quite 20 years since I've actually put a pair of skates on, but I've definitely not skated on any sort of basis. Oh man, these things just feel so good. So good. In 20 years. So, season 2 of the Hoopty Missile Lab, which, by the way, is not over. We're just starting another project that's probably gonna get out of hand fast, of course, like everything else around here, as you're gonna see, and as you can probably already see behind me. It has already gotten way too out of control. I've been back on the blades for, I'll just call it 30 days. We'll just call this my 30-day point because I don't know how long it's been, but it's probably been just about a month. I've probably ridden, 20 days of that month. We got some goodies in here. Tools and whatnot. So, like I said, proper skate vlog. 30-year-old, back on the blades. First time in 20 years, day 30. We're getting it started right now. But I guess I should probably show you kind of how we got here, what we've been doing, what we've done. I don't know when my last video was. Can't remember. I might even have deleted one of them. Maybe it was up for a couple days. Maybe it wasn't up. Maybe it got copywritten. Maybe it didn't. But we're back. I'm definitely wearing these. You'll be seeing this on my wrists the entire time, especially my left wrist, because that's always the one that takes the blow. So, got multiple pairs of wrist strap. We're gonna try them both out. I like this one for my palm. I like the other one for my wrist. I wish I could wear them both, but I can't. This one looks cooler, so we'll go with that one. Oh, sorry, buddy. Scoot back just a little bit for you, because the CJs, as you can see, are anti-rocker from the factory. Look how beautiful these things are. I can't even see the camera on that tiny little screen, but I just can tell how beautiful they look. They feel amazing. If you want the Ferrari of roller boots, get Seba CJ's. This little like flower print because I'm a super stoner hippie. I'll probably buy another pair of these in my size. If I find an 11.5, I'll buy them. Might start looking tonight. Anyway, back to the mission at hand. As you can see behind me, we have some new furniture in the garage. I'll show you that right now. Build ramps, paint stuff. Let's do this, Yep. I'm stealing your van. Oh, my bad. Let's put your wheelie away. Don't. This is we don't want to get demonetized because Paul's wheelie's on the camera.
Yeah, I don't want to do that, man. Beer in the boot. Beer in the boot.
Beer in the boot.
Beer in the boot.
Yeehaw! 2x4s that are 12 foot long, and I need.
Well, we can strap them down. I got straps them back in the van.
Yeah, and I need.
The door might be have to be open, and then I don't know about a flag. We'll get steel flags.
I think I'm smart enough to figure out how to turn the camera on.
Me, I'll be like, what? What do I do? What button I gotta push? See, this is the kind
We got wood!
This is the kind of videos they have to get on YouTube.
Yes. So much wood. You know, just two dudes in the back of a van with some wood.
I'm drinking a beer. I need my vape. God damn it, charged.
Want me to throw it back to you?
Hey, throw me my cigarette back here and a lighter. Oh, alright, well, wait, I'll find it. And, show me a lighter. Okay, so that's the first step. Get that attached. This thing is really exposed. Like shit, feel like shit. I don't know what happened last night. What the fuck is this? And you're back from that. Is this thing even on? Okay, it is on. Just look at that. Look, I can't believe we're doing that. Like, there's one. We started with that one over there. And then I built this one. And I was like, well, what am I going to do with these things? I don't even know why I built that one. Because I have this tiny little rail over here. That one just launches you out of the garage. So then we built this one. This one right here. It's 12 foot long. Sorry, excuse me. Coming through. Hopefully not going through that window. So we're gonna have to put something up this window, at least up that high. I'm not gonna, it's gonna be clear because I love this light that comes through, but we gotta protect people's hands and the window. But this transition's beautiful. It kind of like, we had to flatten it or like level it from the floor because the floor is not level whatsoever. So we had to level it. That was the most difficult part of the project for sure. Just because I wasn't expecting it to be that drastic. Alright, skates are on. I can't tell if you can see me, but skates are on. We're gonna do a little sesh. Little sesh, mini sesh. First time sessioning the skates. First day of many for the skate vlog. Follow along, let's do this together. Back on the blades. 2019. That is the year yet. Yes, 2019. It's almost over. What? I'm starting so late. I get such a late start. Season 2. Season 2, bitches. Yeah. Go wrong side, skater hater. Get out of here. Ah. Woo. Bumping makes me tired. Bumping down. Wax, bro. Pro'd out. We got a lot of different angles on here. I'm gonna go hang this one in a tree somewhere, and we're gonna get getting rowdy. Getting rowdy.